Cheesy ramen lover ka ba? Then listen up! If it's cheesy, it's Otoki! Sa mga cheesy lovers dyan, Otoki just released their new stir-fried cheesy ramen. At grabe, cheesy kung cheesy! Super dali lang din lutuin, promise! Step 1, pakuluan lang sa 2 cups of 500 ml na tubig, ilagay ang noodles, then cook for 5 minutes. Step 2, patayin ang apoy, i-drain ng tubig, pero mag-iwan lang ng 2 tablespoons of water para mas kapit ang cheesy powder. Step 3, ilagay na ang cheese powder, mix lang and enjoy the ultimate cheesy slurp. Made with cheesy cheddar and mascarpone flavor kaya sobrang creamy, savory at indulgent, legit na match made in heaven. At hindi lang yan, may iba pang flavors na pwede mong itry: stir-fried cheesy ramen cheddar, stir-fried spicy chili and cheddar, and stir-fried cheesy ramen spicy. Ang bango, nakakatakam, amoy na amoy yung cheese flavor. Ang sarap, perfect noodle chewiness at lasang-lasa mo talaga ang cheesy flavored cheddar and mascarpone. Available na sa local supermarkets and online platforms. So kung may cheesy cravings ka today, i-Otoki na yan. Go and check out now!